Good morning, Ms. Harper.
Good morning.
Ma'am, you were charged with assault causing bodily injury. You were facing a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, ma'am.
On January 28th, 2024, an officer was dispatched to an Avis rental car in Houston, Harris County, Texas for an assault call. Upon arrival, the officer spoke with the complainant, who stated she is an employee at the business. The complainant stated that a week before, the defendant was at the business returning a car, and the defendant stated there was a mistake on the receipt that needed to be corrected. The complainant stated that she could not make corrections, but her manager could when he came back next Wednesday. The defendant returned a day before the next Wednesday, and the defendant became upset because she believed the complainant told her to return that day. The defendant began to cause a disturbance. The complainant turned her back to the defendant behind the service desk and saw the defendant grab a clear plastic medium-sized display holder from the service counter and throw it at the complainant, hitting her upper thigh area. The corner where the display frame made contact with the complainant's thigh shattered into small pieces, causing pain. The complainant stated she was calling the cops. The complainant was able to capture a picture of the vehicle, and the defendant was seen getting in. The complainant was able to capture a picture of the vehicle the defendant was seen getting into and driving off in. The complainant was able to give a license plate number. The vehicle was registered to the defendant, and the complainant positively identified the defendant by a previous booking photo.
Got it. All right, Ms. Harper, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to go back to this, was it Enterprise or Avis?
Avis rental car.
Not to go back to this Avis, not to have any contact with the complaining witness, and not to be in possession of weapons. Do you understand? These are your bond conditions. If you violate these conditions, a warrant for your arrest will be issued. You will be put into custody. No more PR bonds. Okay. Deputy Manager, do you mind giving an application? I'm going to give you an application. I need you to fill it out for me. I need you to sign a receipt with Victoria. Then we'll have you just take a seat in the jury box while we get everything ready, and then I'll have you talk to the lawyer here momentarily. Okay? And take your time.